The hinge can be adjusted out 4 mm, the locking screw needs to be loosened before adjustment, and then tightened after adjustment. Up and down can also be fine-tuned plus or minus 4 mm, after loosening the locking screw, move the door leaf directly up and down by hand. After the hinge is installed, the green limit device can be removed. The hinge comes with speed control knob. The hydraulic closing speed of the hinge can be adjusted with one hand. Note that all hinges on the same door are adjusted to the same speed. The door can stay at will between 90°-180°, 85°-0° is the automatic door closing area. At 90 degrees position, set with stop door positioning function, soft positioning, no need to install door stopper.